BMW M2, departure from my normal kind of car. I usually go for Porsches, but I always wanted to try one of these out. It's an awesome machine. I'll just do a walk around of it. It's a real racing. I mean, look, it's got the original black wheels. It's got the brand new disc and brakes. 4S Michelin 4S Pilot Sport tyres. It's got full carbon on the side skirts. If you just see this car in person, you just really do appreciate what it looks like. Carbon tail tips, carbon on the splitter. Again, it's an M Performance original exhaust. It's got the reversing camera, sensors at the back, factory black alloys. It was a factory extra option. Someone really went to town with this in terms of options. Side splitters, top to bottom fully detailed. To check the lights are fully clear. There's not a single blemish on any part of this car. So can't argue with its condition. I absolutely love this car, but it's just one of those things that I got another car, and this one is a bit too extravagant to have too many cars out on the drive. It's got the if you look at the windows as well, they're tinted original factory option at the side and the back. It's keyless on the usually keyless. Yeah, you have to put your hand around the whole thing. Just open it, and then if you look inside, it's got the M Performance steering wheel with carbon, extended carbon all round, including the gear stick, shifter, center console, carbon on the sides, carbon. It's also got the M Performance mats, the original ones, original M Performance, all 4 seats. Every single part of this car is like fully detailed. I'll just open it out of the back. It's got a child seat at the back as well, booster. But it's just like fully detailed from every angle. The seats are hardly even worn in, to be fair. So it's not been much in and out on this. I just put the key in here. It's like I said, it's keyless. And I'll press the brake. Just press the start button on there. See that? The button on. That red button's on now. It's like track mode will get activated in a minute. Get this out. This is the special key for it, and it's a Bluetooth option, and you use it like as if you were holding a grenade. It's amazing. So you hold this, you double click, you hear that? Completely changed the sound. Now it's in track mode. So now double click it, it flicked and it changed again. So it's gone to quiet mode, which is the third option of it. So there was standard, which was with the button switched off, and then there's 3 other options as well. So if I go track mode, to change the flaps, it's in track mode now. Give it a very tiny blip. Now I'll switch it to normal mode. Okay, I've just changed the option now. See, it's quieter now as well. So I just put it back to that mode. So now it's in track mode again. That's just too good, isn't it? Right? So full reversing camera, everything's on there. Beautiful car, carbon everywhere. I'll just turn the car off and I'll put this back in. So this comes with its own little holder. Just put it in here. And I'll just turn that off. Just close that. Again, you can also flick this to lock it. You saw that? So, beautiful car. I'll be sorry to see it go. Absolutely loved this car. I loved what it could do, but I got myself a black edition. It came up. I couldn't resist, so I bought that, and I often do that. I'll buy one, I'll buy 2 cars, and then I'll decide which one I want to keep. And so at the end of the day, it'd be extravagant if I could actually keep all of them, but I'll be selling one of them. This is the one that's up for sale at the moment, and I hope you've enjoyed my video, which is a rare option BMW M2 in the original Meteor grey with the extended carbon pack, black reversing camera, black wheels, reversing camera, keyless entry and go, special option on the folding mirrors. It's got the M Performance exhaust, carbon tips at the back. It's got the extended carbon spoiler. Every aspect of this car has been detailed. Hope you enjoyed this. Thank you for watching.